Another important country supporter of Ethiopia and the party EPRDF, a Rwandan delegation, His Excellency Mr. Tito Rutaremara, Senator and also Minister representing RPF. Please welcome, ladies and gentlemen.
Your Excellency, Dr. Abiy Ahmed, Prime Minister of Ethiopia and the Chairman of this party. Your Deputy Chair of EPRDF, Your Excellency, the Chairperson of CPDM and our host, my EPRDF brothers and sisters, comrades here present. Salaam Nachu. Good afternoon. I bring you greetings from the President of Rwanda, the Chairman of RPF, Inkotanyi, His Excellency President Paul Kagame. Me and my delegation are happy to join you at this 11th Congress of EPRDF. Congratulations for such an amazing mobilization in this beautiful city of Hawassa, symbolizing the renewal and the rapid growth of Ethiopia. Congratulations to all cadres of EPRDF and to leadership of this region for the great hospitality rendered to the delegation since we arrived. We are feeling at home in Hawassa, a city sister to Kigali. Dear comrades, we particularly congratulate the chairman of EPRDF, His Excellency Dr. Abiy Ahmed, for undertaking important reforms which we believe will positively impact on the lives of Ethiopians, the region, and beyond. The RPF and its leader appreciate this positive reform. Comrades, we are here as a sister party in solidarity with you. During this important moment in the life of your party, long live RPF, long live friendship with EPRDF, long live friendship we have with Ethiopia, the Republic of Ethiopia. Allow me to take you back in the history of my own party, RPF Inkotanyi. 28 years ago, exactly at this period, it was a critical time for Rwanda. Young revolutionary men and women started a long march towards the liberation of Rwanda. The conditions were hard, and he stood by us during these struggling times, especially in the aftermath of genocide against the Tutsi. We thank you very much, the people of Ethiopia and its leadership. His Excellency, the Prime Minister, Dr. Abiy Ahmed, and the EPRDF, we thank you for your sacrifice and for being part of the Rwanda's story of liberation. Rwanda's liberation struggle has changed its form. Together, we have rebuilt our country. We are enjoying the hard-earned security. Unity and reconciliation have been stronger, and they are pillars of our success. Now, it is time to sustain and preserve the strides we made the social welfare of our people. To this end, various policies have been put in place, among them education for all, universal health coverage, shelter for all. We have embraced science and technology. We are using ICT as an important component. Our system is pro people. The development is for every citizen. Youth is well represented at all levels of our party. And we thank you that you are now going to reform and think of the youth according to the speech of the chairman of this party. Dear comrades, a Congress of this nature is a time to reflect on the past and to work and focus for the future. You all want for your country and your people. All this is in an environment of peace, unity, and stability, which RPF and Rwanda wish you. To conclude, I wish you fruitful deliberations and pledge RPF support in your reforms. Long live friendship between APDRF and the RPF. Amasenganalo. Amasenganalo.
Ladies and gentlemen, that was His Excellency Mr. Tito Rutaremera, Senator, also Minister representing Rwandan RPF. Urakoze, urakoze. Thank you very much. We thank so much the Rwandan delegation.